Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to buy crypto with American Express card in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started with the video. Step 1. Choose a platform. Start by choosing a crypto exchange that supports American Express. Popular options include Coinbase, Crypto.com, and BitPay. Step 2. Create an account. Sign up or log in. Complete identity verification if it's your first time. Step 3. Add your Amex card. Go to Payment Methods and add your American Express card. Some platforms may require two-factor authentication or additional verification. Step 4. Buy crypto. Select the crypto you want, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount and choose your Amex card at checkout. Step 5. Confirm and store securely. Review the fees, confirm the purchase, and store your crypto in a secure wallet.